Hi, this side Manish. I'm from Claimback India Private Limited. Our URL is claimback.in. What problem we want to solve? Actually, we want to solve all consumers' problem who buy product and services from different brands over online and offline, but they are unhappy after buying product and services. They feel cheated, or they are unhappy, or the product is not working properly, and they have complained about it, where they are going to brands, but the brands are failed to solve their complaints on time, and just because of frustrations, consumers are doing bad mouth related to brands, and posting blogs over social media. So it's all about we are trying to solve consumers problem. It relate to any brand, any service, any industry. How big the problem is, like this problem is all about consumers who buy product and services throughout mediums. It might be online, offline, supermarket, or malls, anywhere. So the problem is very big because consumers are putting their hard-earned money to buy product and services, but once the product and services is not not providing good service, or the product is not working properly, they're being frustrated. They keep on chasing brands, and they are feeling that they're being cheated, and because their hard-earned money being wasted, and it's not getting resolved at the earliest, and they are not getting proper solution from the brands. How we are going to tackle this problem is, actually we are going to bridge a communication between brands and consumer, where we are give a real-time activity to the brands, how consumers are into pain and how brands are lacking, due to lack of communication, they are losing their loyal customers. So this is what the proper solution we are planning of. Like, we will talk to the brands, we will do alliances with the brands, and try to solve all their consumers complaint related to brands. It's a very good idea. There is no such company or the organization like who solve consumers complaint, who solve consumers pain, and who actually help and stand beside with the consumers to raise a voice for their complaints or whatsoever it is. Every sites and blogs and consumer forums are just talk and share the problems what consumers are facing, but no one is solving their complaint. So Claimback is all about solving consumer complaints throughout India, it over online or offline, and we are very proud to though with come up with this company where we can solve any complaints of consumer. Thanks.